Hello everyone. If you're here watching this video, then you're interested in headphone isolation. You want your old headphones to be isolated. That is, you don't want your surroundings to hear you and you don't want to hear your surroundings. Then you're in the right place. Because recently I conducted an experiment or project you can say where I isolated my old headphones and it worked. So at least I saw 50% more isolation than it was before. Welcome back. As I already said, I recently conducted an experiment to just isolate my old headphone. Before that, I want you to understand some basics. So, what are those basics? If you're isolating a room, a vocal booth, or a headphone, whatever you are doing, whatever isolation you are doing, you want to understand that when you're soundproofing, you have to look for three types of noise: airborne noise, structural noise, and mechanical noise. There is no mechanical noise in headphones because there is no moving object, and airborne is just whenever air travels, wherever air travels, the sound travels, that's it. And structural noise, the sound travels through the medium, through the structure, then it is structural noise. You can decrease the structural noise by adding density to that structure, and you can decrease the airborne noise by closing all the air holes or wherever the air is escaping. That's it. So that's it. You know the basics now. Great, right?
So what I did is just I unscrewed the headphone and just removed the sides of headphones, and then I saw there is lots of space in there. Of course, whichever headphones ranging from 500 rupees to 1500 rupees saying it's closed back headphones, they're wrong. They're not at all closed back headphones. They're just closed back headphones for namesake. They're not doing the job. Of course, if you don't know anything about closed back headphones, open back headphones, over ear, in ear, anything, please write in the comment below. I'll just do a separate video on it. And coming back here, I just opened the headphone and then I started layering up the cardboard sheets and layering it one by one. Layer up as much as you can so that more density, more isolation.
Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe for more such type of videos, and click on the notification bell for not missing out any of my videos. And if you want to ask some questions or suggestions, please write in the comment below.